Welcome to Part 5 of Family Vocabulary. 41. Birthday. Meaning, the day a person was born, celebrated every year. Example. Today is my birthday. Synonyms: birth anniversary. Antonyms: none. 42. Celebrate. Meaning, to do something special for a happy event. We celebrate Christmas together. Synonyms: enjoy, commemorate. Antonyms: ignore. 43. Visit. Meaning, to go and see someone. We visit our grandparents every month. Synonyms: see, call on. Antonyms: leave. 44. Reunion. Meaning, a gathering of family members after being apart. Our family reunion was wonderful. Synonyms: gathering, get together. Antonyms: separation. 45. Support. Meaning, to help or encourage someone. My family always supports me. Synonyms: help, encourage. Antonyms: discourage. 46. Care. Meaning, to look after someone. Parents care for their children. Synonyms: look after, protect. Antonyms: neglect. 47. Raise. Meaning, to take care of a child until they become an adult. They raised 3 children. Synonyms: bring up. Antonyms: abandon. 48. Share. Meaning, to give or use something together with others. We share our meals together. Synonyms: divide, give. Antonyms: keep. 49. Love. Meaning, a strong feeling of care and affection. I love my family very much. Synonyms: adore, cherish. Antonyms: hate. 50. Respect. Meaning, to treat someone with kindness and honor. Children should respect their parents. Synonyms: honor, admire. Antonyms: disrespect. Congratulations! You have completed the Family Vocabulary course. Keep practicing every day to improve your English. Subscribe to AVETRA EDU for more English lessons. See you in the next course.